Hi y'all, I am back and I have a little package and we're going to unbox it together. Technically I've already opened it and I was so excited to it, but this is what it is. It is a 26-inch reddish brown straight wig. It has a 6x4 HD width. It comes pre-plucked, pre-cut. It's supposed to be like a wear and go type of glueless wig. I love that aspect of it because I am not a pro at installing wigs. So yeah, so let's unbox it. I've already opened it to have a peek, but I've not really like felt the hair and took it out of the package and everything. So we're going to be doing that together. Okay, so once you open it, this is what it looks like. It comes with the hair, some mink lashes, and HD wig gum. And this is the hair. So like I said, it is 26 inches and it is a street wig. Okay, so this is what the lace is giving. It's definitely giving pre-plucked, sort of like a natural hairline. This is the lace piece. It's a 6x4. It does not have any combs. It just has an adjustable band. Yeah, and this is what it is looking like. Oh my goodness. The lace just disappeared. Oh my god. I think I need a little bit more on this side. Tell me I'm not giving Ariel right now. This is definitely some good lace. I see here, y'all did your thing, and that lace is definitely giving what is for sure. Okay, so now that we're done, my final thoughts. Love, love, love the color. I feel like it complements my skin beautifully. I've been running my fingers through it, I've brushed it, and I've not really been getting any shedding. Definitely a wiggle wig. So if you're looking for a very quick wig to just slap on, highly recommend. You can get it on Amazon. I will put the link in the description and in my link in bio to my Amazon storefront, so in case you want to get this week. I believe they have like a 20% off situation going on right now on Amazon. Plus Black Friday is coming, so put in your cart, wait for the sale. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. We like to save money around here. We like convenience.